Home Remedies presents.
I couldn't stand up because of the pain, and now I run like a teenager. Legs don't hurt. Today I will present you another natural remedy. This natural remedy is so simple, but it can strengthen the immune system, it can help regulate blood sugar levels, and reduce blood pressure. It's useful for diabetics. Quinoa is an ancient grain that is a great choice for its anti-inflammatory properties. The proteins in quinoa offer a wide range of amino acids. Amino acids are vital for supporting muscle development and immune activity, among other essential functions. This makes quinoa an excellent dietary choice for people following a vegetarian or vegan diet. The fiber in quinoa can also help with cholesterol and blood sugar levels, lowering your risk of diabetes and heart disease. Let's see how to make the remedy. You will need quinoa 6 tablespoons, water 250 ml. Procedure: wash them thoroughly and then put in a blender. Add 50 ml of water, blend it and add 200 ml of more water in it and blend again. Strain thoroughly using a cheesecloth. Now add a teaspoon of honey to it. Drink it once a day, 15 minutes before a meal.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.